Rahul Gandhi's expose alleging vote theft takes center stage in Karnataka. The Election Commission has rejected Rahul Gandhi's claim of fraud in Karnataka voter list. The EC cited a document shown by the leader of opposition about a voter named Shakun Rani voting twice and claimed it was not issued by the polling officer. The Karnataka EC also quoted Shakun Rani, saying that she had voted only once. The poll body demanded that Rahul Gandhi back his claims with proof. Last week, Rahul Gandhi had claimed a theft of more than 1 lakh votes in the Mahadevpura assembly segment of Bengaluru Central seat during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections.
अब मैं आपको बताता हूं शकुन रानी की कहानी। फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर बनी है, 70 साल की आयु है, एक बार फॉर्म 6 का प्रयोग किया और उसके कुछ ही महीने बाद दूसरी बार फॉर्म 6 का प्रयोग होता है। ये फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर हो ही नहीं सकती। तो क्या शकुन रानी जी ने वोट किया या किसी और ने शकुन रानी जी के लिए वोट किया?
The state Congress leadership lashed out at the EC for issuing notices to Rahul Gandhi, asserting that the poll body had no power to issue notices.
Whatever documents Election Commission is asking, my leader has exhibited in the public. He has given a presentation. They have already got it. They are already making a research of it. They know whatever is wrong. He has answered it already in the public.
The BJP launched a counter-attack, calling Rahul's claims fake.
When Rahul Gandhi was here last week in Bangalore, after that protest, Rahul Gandhi was supposed to meet Election Commission. Rather than doing that, he ran back to Delhi. Why is that? Because they lack proofs.
CM Siddaramaya's loyalist K. Rajanna added fuel to the fire by admitting voter list irregularities in the state occurred during the Congress government's tenure and went unchecked.
ಈ ವೋಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇರೋವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೋಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಲ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ? ಆದರೆ ಅಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಮುಂದೆನೇ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
Rajanna's remark led to a divide within the Congress.
Minister K.N. Rajanna is totally false. He doesn't know. My chief minister will reply to it and my party high command.
What Rajanna has said may not be wrong. Every voter has to be careful. Not just one party or one leader or one person.
Sources tell India Today that Congress High Command was miffed with Rajanna, who tendered his resignation from the cabinet.
ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
The BJP scoffed at the rift within the Congress, suggesting it was just the race for CM seat heating up.
B.K. Shivkumar, he might be a deputy chief minister, but is an MLA. Election Commission is a constitutional body. They have their own right to seek explanation when so much has been alleged against the Election Commission of this country. So instead of arguing with the Election Commission, instead of creating confusion among the people of this country, they should come forward and give proper explanation to the Election Commission.
Rahul Gandhi's vote chori allegations against the Election Commission of India has created ripples in his own party's rank and file, as well as state politics.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.